Hi there, welcome to Lakeland Orchard Cidery. My name is Jeff Roba. I'm one of the owners and managers here at Lakeland Orchard. Lakeland Orchard is located just north of Scranton, Pennsylvania, and we are mainly a U-pick apple orchard and U-cut flower fields. So the idea for the Halloween light show kind of came right in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. There's a chance we don't get to open like normal, so what's something that we can do at either our farm or our orchard that would kind of COVID-proof? I mean, it could be something that sticks around going forward past, just this year and just the pandemic. It's kind of more than just the lights that you're coming out to look at. The entrance arch with the tumbling pumpkin is a really big wow factor right when you come in. The haunted house is a huge piece right in the middle of the show that kind of anchors everything for us. We've got a Halloween radio station that's playing, so people can listen to spooky tunes while they're driving around the show. And then afterwards, we have our cider garden open, which has public fire pits, and the burger shop is open for a bite to eat. You can stop at the cider bar and get a flight of hard cider. And then, lastly, on the way out, you stop in the retail tent, grab some donuts and kettle corn, and you've kind of got the whole package. So it is more than lights. It's kind of the whole Halloween package for you. Brian and Rileighs as a whole were really great about coming up with some custom pieces for us to kind of fill out the rest of the show. Not only were they supplying us with the displays, but they came out and installed them as well. They had a giant crew out here for probably 5 or 6 days straight, setting everything up for us, making sure it was working right. So Rileighs was definitely, very experienced, very knowledgeable as far as how to lay out the show and where scenes go, and for roadway lighting, what's the proper spacing, and making sure you have enough of it, and even just like where to fill in with mini lights and that type of stuff. Their experience definitely helpful in making sure that the light show was the complete package from start to finish. One of the nice things about the white glove service, on top of the installation and maintenance and last minute calls to Brian as we're getting the show ready, is really the tear down and storage as well. There's quite a few pieces that frankly need to go into storage when the season is over, and our barns are packed full as it is, so it's really nice having them, again with that white glove service coming out and tearing everything down for us, taking it back, making sure it's in good working order for next season, and really keeping it safe for us until we need it again next August.